Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the replacement keg type and getting your tools. This avoids wasting time later. Once you've identified the valve, turn off the CO2 and open the relief valve to bleed pressure until the gauge reads 0 psi. Make sure to place a drip tray under the coupler and have a wrench and clean rags within reach, because removing a pressurized keg can spray beer and damage fittings if rushed. You should now uncouple the gas hose first to prevent sudden CO2 bursts, and then detach the beer line from the top of the coupler. Once clear, unlock and remove the empty keg, roll the new keg into position, and center it under the coupler so the probe can engage cleanly. Then attach the coupler to the new keg. For some models you push then twist, while others use a lever. Do this firmly so seals align and leaks are prevented. Once the coupler is secured, slowly turn CO2 back on and set the regulator to your serving pressure, for example 10 to 12 psi, because correct pressure ensures proper pour and head. Then purge a short burst of gas to clear any trapped air lines and pull a small test pour to confirm flow and taste. If you notice leaking at any fitting or foamy pores, stop. Make sure fittings are tight and replace worn O-rings. This single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.